Hey, welcome back to another video. My name is Marcel and you're here today because you want to see how the iPhone 14 Pro cinematic mode compares to an actual camera. In today's video I'll be using the Sony a7 IV combined with the lenses. So give or take about $3,000 to $4,000. Someone's honking over there. But let's get right into it. Also, for this test I cannot shoot in ProRes because cinematic mode does not allow that. So it will just be the regular video on the iPhone 14 Pro. One thing to note is that when you access cinematic mode on the iPhone 14 Pro, you only access two of the cameras. In regular video mode, you can access the three cameras, but when you switch over to cinematic mode, you only get the 1x and the 3x camera. So you get the main camera and also the 3x telephoto camera. So the iPhone's camera has the main 48 megapixel camera. That is a 24mm camera with an f-stop of 1.78. The Sony a7 IV with the Tamron 17 to 28mm at 24mm at f2.8 because I don't have anything lower than that. And with the 3x telephoto, it's also using that same camera, but the equivalent field of view is 77mm with an aperture of f2.8. So for that, I'll be using a Tamron 28 to 75 at 75mm with an aperture of f2.8. So let's compare these and let me know in the comments below what you think about these two comparisons. Does the iPhone stack up to a more professional camera or does it fall apart? We'll find out. Just at first glance, cinematic mode on the iPhone is not as natural, although it's really nice, a lot better than the iPhone 13 Pro. It's not as natural still. There's a little bit of glow surrounding a subject that is trying to isolate. So it's not as organic, not as pleasant in my opinion. I hope you enjoyed this comparison. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts were on iPhone 14 Pro's cinematic mode. I'll see you next time.